You will find some summary subjects of math, especially from grade 4 in this video. What about that subjects? Of course, in this video you can find multiplication, division, divisibility rules, even odd numbers, greatest common factors. Of course, the factors, what is the meaning of the factors? We will find and we will study for this, but in a fast and easy way. It will be summer for you, so you will get for your exam so strong with the intelligent maths professor, huh? Okay, so we are starting from multiplications. Okay, let's do multiplications. So multiplying by which numbers? The 10, 100 and 1000. We will try to learn how we can do this. It's so easy. Look at here. For example, 26 by 1000. How I can do? Oh, a lot of zero, a lot of numbers. No, so easy. What we do, like, just write this 26 here, then just add these zeros to here. How many zeros you can see here? 1, 2, 3, of course. 1, 2, 3 you are adding here. So where we have to put the comma? You have to look at from the first to go to the third one. 1, 2, 3. It's here. So what is our number anymore? 26,000. Okay, so what about these ones? For example, 60 multiply, what can it be? Like 25. Okay, how I can do this then? Look at. So you have to make multiplication with this, with that one here. Okay, after we will add to 0. So let's see, what is that? Let's do this. 25 times 6. How I can do? 6 times 5, it is 30. Then you have to add 3 here. It's tens because anymore. So we have to write on the tens here. You know, everybody know this. So 6 times 2, it is 12 plus 3, it is 15 anymore. My voices went to somewhere. Let's call them. Okay, 150 it is. Where I have to write, if I make multiplication this together, then I have to write here. Okay, what we have to do after, because if I am making multiplication by 0, then if I see, then I have to add here. Look, I added to here. Then I have to put the comma here. 1500 it is. So another example, just look at here. Oh, let's do like this to make it easy, huh? For example, 100 multiply, what was, for example, say me that it is 40. How I can do this? How I can do? Okay, make multiply. 4 times 1 is 4, of course. You know, everybody know. 4. How many 0 you see? 1, 2, 3. Please add here. Okay, then put your commas here. It is 4,000. So easy. So what we have to do, we are just making multiplication the numbers, then we are adding the zeros. Doesn't matter if it can be 1 or 25 or 6, doesn't matter. Look, if it's 1, what I do here, 26 I write directly. Why? Because 26 times 1 it's 26 just. That's why I write directly. This is the meaning of this is 1 time, because so 6 times 25 and add 0. Okay, so another, for example, 700 multiply 10. Oh, it's so easy. 7 times 1, it is 7. I add it. Then how many 0? 3 0 I have to add here. Then comma is here. 7,000. Another fastly. For example, 8,000 multiply 200. Oh, is it hard? Of course no. 2 multiply 8, it is 16. Then how many 0? 2 is here, 2 is here. Totally 1, 2, 3. Of course, the fourth one too. So why I have to put comma? 1, 2, 3. Then it's here. Oh, 160,000 it is. So we learned multiplying by 10, 100, 1000. Okay, so let's pass to multiplying by two-digit numbers, not 10, not the other ones. Okay. Oh, let's do. Let's use the back of the paper. We don't have to throw the basket like a ball. Okay, so for example, let's remember this again. Okay, how I can do this? Of course, 2 times 19. Then I have to add the 0. I have to write 2 times 19. What is that? I have to write here. Then I have to add the 0 here. Okay. So what about 19 times 2? I can do it from my mind easily, but let's use paper and pencil. 2 times 9, it is 8 or 18, of course. Then I have to put 1 here. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is here. Plus 38. I have to write here like 38. I wrote. So, of course, don't forget the 0 here. Look, 280 anymore. This is. Okay. And let's do, okay, this is the vertical side. Like this side I do. So if I do like that, how? What I mean? Like that. If I write like that, what can I do? You will think like the from grade 3. You have to remember, and like this is the ones. How you can do that multiply? Don't see that 2. If it's the ones, what you have to do? You have to do, of course, this and this. By one or together, doesn't matter. So 19 multiply 0 or 0 multiply 19. How much? 0. It is. Let's come to the 2. 2 times 19 you have to do. 2 times 90. But where you have to write? You done here. For example, you made the first 0, 19. 0 times 19. You write here 0, 0. But, okay. What about this 2? Where I have to write? I have to write here like 13, 38 or something. No, it's not possible. Okay, so we don't have to do like that. Okay, firstly, think like this. We will come here. Okay, after we will learn this. But let's come to here from an easy way, from first steps. What I have to do, what can I do? Easy. Just you are doing. How did you learn from grade 3? 0 times 19, it is 0. Okay, just 1 0. Because just you made this. 0 times 19, it's 0. 0 times something, always 0. Add here. So come to this, the second one, the tens. 2 times, again do by together, okay? 2 times 9, it is 18. 1 is there. So 2 times 1 is 2. Then plus 1, it is 3. Look, 380. Is it true? Yes, it's true. But It was not true. Did you see? Okay, let's do another subject. Okay, let's do another example. For example, 91 and 500. How I can do this? Look, again easy. 0 times 91, 0. 0 times 91, 0. This is second 0, okay? Look, how many 0? Did you realize? How many 0? I am adding this. There was 1 0, I add 1 0. 2 0, I am adding 2 0. Because 2, 1 times, 2 times again. So come to the here, 5. So 5 times 1, 5 times 9 it will go. 5 times 1, it is 5. 5 times 9, of course, 45 it is. Then 1, 2, 3, you are adding here 45 and this 500. Okay. So let's come to the here how I can do from 2 steps like that. For example, 19 and 20. Let's do this. Okay. So 2 times 9, 0 times 9, 0. 0 times 1, it's 0. Okay? Look, not the before, like, not all together. 0 times 91 and 0. We don't do this anymore. Okay? Now we will come to the real multiplication. How we can do by 2-digit numbers. 0 times 9, it is 0. 0 times 1, it's 0. So always by 1 by, okay? So come to here. 2 times 9, it's 18. So I have to write 8, then 1 somewhere after I will write. But where I have to write? I have to write here or here or here or here. Where I have to write? Easy way. Remember, this is the 20. Okay? This is 20. What is the 20? It's 20 and this is the tens. Look at the here. What about the place value of this number? It is the 20. It's tens. These ones. Here is the tens. So it is not 2 anymore. It is like 20. Okay, 20 is like this is. If it's like that, then there is 1 0 here. Okay, means this still has a 1 0. This can be any number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any kind number. Doesn't matter. This. So if this is, so it has to 1 0 too. Like 20, because, for example, it can be 1, 21. It is 20 plus 1. It could be. But right now, 20 plus 0. This is place value. If you expanded form, if you write the expanded form, you can write 20 plus 0. Okay, this is the ones. Look, I make multiplication, then it is the 0 0. So here, then I have to do with this. Okay, if I am doing this, then please always don't forget that 0 here. Put the under of the ones. Okay, then just continue to your normal multiplication with this digit. Okay, so 2 times 9, it is 18. Then 1 is here. 2 times 1, it is 2. 1 is here, so it is 3. So you have to make addition. 0 plus 0, it's 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. Then 3 is down. Look, did you see? Of course, true. So another subject, so another example, okay, and for example, so 31, 24, look at here, how we can do, okay. Look, remember, this 24, if you open like expanded form, it is 20 plus 4. Okay, so let's do first the ones, the 4. Multiply by 4. Okay, 4 times 1 it is 4. 4 times 3 it is 12. Okay, so let's come to this. Tens is 20. Ah, okay, if it's 20, then put the 1 0 of the 20 here. Okay, then continue. 2 times 1 it is 2. 2 times 3 it is 6. Then make it plus, because expanded form you opened. First you made multiplication this, then after this, then of course you have to make addition. Then it's 4, 4 and 7. Did you see? So easy. For example, another I hope you see here right now. For example, 18 multiply 12. We are just remember how we can do. 2 times 8 it is 16. 1 is here. 2 times 1 it is 2. Then 1 is there. Totally it is 33. 30 and this. So then here for the second one, if we are coming here, of course don't forget to add the 0. Then let's do 1 times 8 it is 8. 1 times 1 it's 1 plus 6. 3 plus 8 it is 11. Then 1 is here, of course, then is 2. Okay, I think we say that it will be fast, but I think we go so slowly, huh? Like longly. So it's not good. So we will make it short, more short, then just it will be some summary. Okay, so let's remember the division. Remember to division. How we can do? Okay, so here dividend. Here, what was it? Divisor. And here, of course, quotient. Okay, we know these. So just look at here. Quotients times divisor, it makes you can get to dividend. Okay, and if there is a remainder, of course, here. If there is something, then it is remainder. Okay, so for example, a example for you, it is 45, and let's make division by 7. How I can do? You have to look the first number. Can you see any 7 inside of the 4? No, it's not possible. So just look at the 2-digit numbers. 45, 7, how many times inside of the 45? Just guess it. 5, 4, 6, 8, how many it can be? You have to remember the multiplication table. Okay, so it is 6 times. 6 times 7, it is 42. Then you are making the subtraction, you know. 5 minus 2, it is 3. Then 4 minus 4, it is 0. Look, this is the remainder. Here, this is dividend. This quotient. Okay, then this divisor. Okay, just look at here. 6 times 7, it is 42 plus 3. Oh, this is what you need, 45. Oh, okay. If I miss one of number, for example, the 7, if I lost it like that, and remainder it is 3. Okay, there is some things and remainder it is 3. What can you do? How you can find this divisor? What can you do? You have to know that 6 times that divisor and plus this is giving this. Okay, you have to know that. Okay, they added 2, 3 and they got these things, isn't it? So okay, then lose it again, like take it out the 3 inside of this. How much? 42. Now without reminder, look, we get lost, we get how can I say, like make subtraction, we cancelled to 3 inside of the 45. Okay, we eliminated, then 42. Okay, how many times 6 makes 42, gives 42? You have to think. Then if you make division again to 6, then you can find then it is the 7. Of course. Okay, just we are remembering how we can find what we do. Let's look at the other division by like 10, 100, 1000. For example, 100, 1500. Okay, division 3. How I can do this? Remember, first you are making division these the numbers together, then after. Okay, so 15 divide 3, it is 5, and you write 5. You made and you write 5. Then please add the 0 here. Okay. And the important thing after this, how we can do the easily, we can do a lot of examples, but you have to do in same times. Okay, for example, small I will do here. 800 division 4, for example. How we can do 8 divide 4, what it is 2. So how many 0 is here? 2 0. Add here please. If how many 0? For example, 20 divided, for example, what? 2, for example. How we can do? 2 divide 2, it's 1. Add, please, it's 10 then. Just that. Okay. So let's remember to some rules for the division, which we have to know and never forget from your whole life. If this is like a dividend, the 0, okay, it's some number, for example 7. If it's like that, then this is 0. Okay, this is the rule of the divisions. If the dividend is like a 0, okay, so just remember, in the next videos we will try to do like that as a fraction. So this is the 0. Okay, but if the like a denominator, this is the denominator 7 here, but if denominator like fractions, after we will learn of course, if like a divisor it's 0, then it is impossible. Okay, then 7, for example, 7 with the same number, if you make division, it's always 1. Okay, and 7 division 1, if a number is you are making division by 1 always, then you will get the itself, it's the 7. Okay, we are just remember, you can watch times by times this video. And look at here, the other division rules. If there are the zeros in my numbers, and how I can do easily. For example, 3,300 divided 100. How I can do this? It's easy. Look, how many zero? 2 0. Then please cancel this 0 2. Delete this 2 0 2. Okay, 33 divided 1, it is 33, of course. And then secondly, for example, another 45,000 divided 100. How I can do this? Of course, 1 0, then other 0 I cancel. So in same time I have to cancel from here to together. Okay, this is going to the, this is canceling to this 0, this canceling to this 0, then nothing more. So where you see anymore? 450 you see. Okay, so for example, this. So for example, this 180 divided 30. How I can do? This 0 is cancelling this 0. Okay, so you can make your division normally. 18 divided 3, it is 6. Look, it finished like that. And the other important division, okay, let's do this and let's finish these things here. Division. What can I do? For example, I hope you see, of course. And with the 5, by 5 I am making, okay. Look, remember, 5. Can you see any 5 inside of 7? Yes. How many times? It is 1 times. 1 times 5, it is the 5. Make your subtraction. It's 2 because 7 minus 5, it's 2. Oh, okay. 3 is done. So 23 it became. So 5, how many times inside of the 23? 23, it's 4 times, not 5. 4. 4 times 5, it is 20. Then 3 is the 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 2, it is 0. Look, 3. Okay, so bring this 6 also to here. What is that? Anymore? It is 36. How many times inside of the 5 inside of the this? Then it is 7. 7 times 5, it is 35. Then make minus 6 times 5, it's 1. Then 330. Look, remainder is 1. Divisor is 5. Dividend is 736. Then quotient is 147 anymore, which we have to find. So look at here. Or I don't want to. I want to use here. Okay. No, I want to use because sorry. Okay. So 704 again by 7. How I can do 7 times 7? How many times inside of the 7? It's 1 time. 1 times 7, it is a 7. Okay, make minus 7 minus 7, it is a 0. Okay, done. 0 is done. Above the 0, not, you cannot find the 7 inside of the 0, but you don't anymore. Okay, if you don't, then please don't forget to add to 0 here if you didn't find. Okay, so important. So okay, let's come to the second number. It's 4 down. Oh, 4 also is smaller than 7. You cannot find any 7 inside of the 4, but you already downed. So what you have to do? You have to put 1 0 here anymore. Aha, look at here. Look, so 7 times 100, how much? It is 700. Then plus 4, it's giving you your dividend. Okay, what we learned here, if the number, if we are making it down, if we cannot find, if there isn't this our divisor inside of this number, what we have to do, we are putting the 0 here if we down. Okay, we learned these ones. If you have books, of course you have books, then you can try to make exercise from that books. So in an easy way, we will try to learn right now even and odd numbers. If we are adding, of course, it's the operations inside of the operations, because so easy to find and to say that, oh, this number is the even or this number is the odd. They are so easy. But for now, we will have to learn that if they are inside of some operations, and what is the result of the operations, if it's even or odd, we are trying to find that one. Okay, we will try to find the result is even or not, but without doing operations. We will not do anything, just we will look to the numbers inside of the operations, then we will guess it's even or not. Okay, let's remember. Okay, so addition. If you see any addition operation, some numbers, and you can guess that result, that sum is even or odd. How? Like that. If, look, I am just writing the even and odd numbers. Then after, for even I will write E, then for odd I will write O. Okay. So if, for example, two adding numbers are even, then your sum, your result also must be even. For example, 2 plus 6. Is it even? Yes. Is it even? Is yes. So 2 plus 6, it is 8. Is it even? Yes, it's even. Okay. So let's look at the, if it's even and other ones odd, then it is how much? What is the result? It's odd. It's odd. It will be odd. I will come to there. I will explain you why. If the other one is the odd, then other one is the even, then your result must be odd again. Okay. Then if odd plus odd is together, then it is even. For example, give this example. For example, this everybody can write, can do by its places. For example, even, say me, 4 plus an odd number, it is 3. How much? 4 plus 3, it is 7. What did you see? Look, it is, look, one is even, this is the odd. So what is your result? It's odd. Look. What about this? For example, odd, tell me, 5. For example, even, tell me, it is 8. So what is the result? 13. Also, this is the odd. Okay, so for example, 1 plus 1 for the last one, it is 2, it's even. Okay, I will come here after. Okay, so let's look at the subtraction. Okay, so even minus even, it is the even. Okay, even minus odd, it is the odd. Odd minus even, it is the odd. And odd minus odd, it is the even. Example, for example, for one of them, this 8 minus odd 5 can be. There are examples. 5 minus 8 minus 5, it is 3. Did you see? Is it odd or even? It is odd. Okay. So what is the important thing here? What do you realize here? Look, if on the adding and subtractions, if your numbers, the even or odd, if they are the same like this, this, so they are the even numbers. Okay. Look, same, even, so different. Look, different. Even plus odd, odd plus even, they are different. So different, if they are different, then the result must be odd. Is the same things for the subtraction too. Same, look, same. How much? What is that? They are even. So what about these ones? They are different. So if they are different, they must be odd. Okay. So let's come to multiplying, adding, subtracting, and multiplying. So this is so easy. Just as important, if you see any even numbers inside of the operations, your multiplication, then it is any more even. Okay. So like this, even multiply even, it is the even. Odd multiply even, what is that? Look, one even number is here, so it is the even. So even also here, then if you make multiply by odd, if there is an even, so it's even, of course. So odd multiply odd, what is that? They can be the same, doesn't important. Adding and subtraction is this like that, but multiply not important. Multiply, inside of the multiply just is important even number. Okay, so let's look at even. Can you see any even? No, that's why it's odd number. Okay, for example, 3 multiply 5, it is 15. Okay, bravo. And let's look at divisibility. So easy, divisibility rules. Okay, so for example, what is the divisibility rules? What we have to look, if the remainder is the 0. Okay, no any remainder, you will make division, but remainder will be 0. So we will look to that rules, that number divisibility by that number true, like without any remainder or not. We will try to find this one. Okay, for example, for the by 2, if we make a division by 2 with any number randomly, doesn't matter, so you have to look at that. If that number is even, then no problem, then remainder must be 0. So it means that that number is divisible by 2. Okay, so by 2, divisibility by 2, what we have to look, if the number is the even. Okay, so all even number can divisible by 2. This is. What about by 3? By 3 there is a different rule. The sum of the digits must be multiples of the 3. What I mean, for example, I am giving 564. What about these numbers, digits? 5, then plus 6 plus 4. Look, if they are like that, if this is the multiples of the 3, then it's okay. Let's look at here. 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 4 it's 15. 15 is divisible by 3. This is the multiples of 3. That's why this number can divisible by 3. Okay, so what is the rules? If the sum of the digits are multiples of the 3, just that. For example, this 1 7 2 172. Let's look at this. 2 1 plus 7 plus 2. What can be? 9 and 10. Do you think 10 is the multiples of the 3? No. So this is not by 3. So by 5. Oh, so easy. The ends, the last number, the ones must be 0 or 5. Okay, for example, 10. For example, 25. For example, 81. No, 80 or 85. These are you can do. So look, last numbers are must be 0 or 5. Aha, by 10 also is the same, just last number must be 0. 10, 100, 1000. Okay, but in same time like 50, 60 or 2050 or 830. They are all them are by 10. They can divisible by 10 easily without any reminder. So let's come to the factors. Okay, last subject of this video. But after the subjects, the other subject you will try to find too in another videos. Okay, so let's look at the factors. What is the factors? What about that factors? Oh, above. Just remember 5 times 3. Okay, these were the factors. And this is the factors. And 5 times 3, it is 15. What it makes, what they became, they changed, they became anymore, they made to 15 anymore. So 15 is product anymore. Okay, so these are the factors. We will try to some play with these factors. We will try find or multiple something. And okay, so let's look at the factors of the 12. How can I find the numbers which is making the 12? Which number you can make by, for example, 1 multiply 12 or 2 multiply 6 or 3 multiply 4. All them are makes 12, isn't it? Then 4 times 3 is going to do, so it doesn't matter anymore. You don't have to continue the same things. So look at what is the numbers. You can write from order like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 12. Look, these are the factors of 12. Easy. For example, what about 8? Factors. You can say directly 1, 2, 4, and the same itself 8. You can see. Okay, so right now we will try to write two numbers, then we will try to find the factors, then we will try to find the common factors. Okay, common factors. For example, I am giving you an example. 15 and 45. Okay, so what about factors of 15? 1, 3, 5, can be any more, 6, 7, 9, no, doesn't work. So it is 15, you can stop like that. What about 45? How we can find? Of course, it is the 1 times 45 because, so let's look at try to find, right? 3, also 5 because look, it's ending the 5. Then 9, of course, because 9 times 5, look, 9 times 5, it's 45. Then 45. Did we find the factors? Okay, so common factors. What's the common? The same, the similar, the inside in the both of them you will find, you will look to the inside and they will be the same. For example, 1 1, they are the same. 3 3, they are same. 5 5, they are same. So nothing more. Okay. So after this moment, okay, we will learn to find the greatest one. The greatest common factor. We will try to find this. So GCF, okay, short way. This is. We will try to find these ones. GCF. The greatest, it's on over the name. The greatest common one. I know these are the factors. I know that they are the common factors. So what about the greatest? Huh? One great or three is greater. Or 3 is greater than 5. Of course, it's 5. Look, then I can write like GCF of the 15 and 45. It's 5. Okay. So, one example is enough. So, LCM. Let's come to the LCM. What is that? It is the least one, the smallest one, least common, okay, not factor, because you cannot the least one. We are trying to find the anymore. This is multiples, okay. We will try to find the least common multiple. What is the multiple? Multiple, sorry. It's multiple. You are making times for the numbers. Look, for example, look at the 3. 1 times 3, it is 3. 2 times 3, it is 6. 3 times 3, it is 9. 4 times 3, it is 12. Look, these are the multiples of 3. All them are multiples of 3. So 3 3 you are going to the number by number you are going 3 6. Add 3 it's 9. Add 3 is 12. Add 3 is 15. They are the multiple. Okay, so we will try to find the least one with the two numbers. For example, I am writing you 7 and 28. Okay, we will try to find the least common multiple. First, we have to find the multiple. Okay, then like the first one we done, multiple. After the multiple, we will choose the common one. Then we will choose the least one. Okay, we know anymore what is the multiple. Okay, let's write 7. Then, what about after the 7 multiple? At 7 over of it, it's 14. Then 21. Then it is 28. Is going to. Okay, for example, 35. Going to. So what about 28? 28 starting from 28. So add 28 to 56. Okay. So add 28 to, it is how much? 84. So it's going to do it again. So let's find they are the multiples. So common multiples, of course, as you can see, just 28 is here. So you can find some things from when you go to do. You can find other commons too. So it's long way for the 7. But the least one. What is the least one? The smallest one. The first one. Of course, it is the 28. These ones. Okay, so I will come and I will write that LCM 7, 28. It is 28. Okay. And for example, okay, anyway, it's not important. LCM of 3 and 5. How I can find? So least common multiples I have to find. 3, write 3, then write 5. Okay, then go to the 3. Write the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. It's going to do. Okay, write 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It's going to do. Let's look at the common one. 3, 9, 12, 15, 5, 10. Oh, 15, that is common. Okay, least, of course. What is the first one? This is the least one, the first one. So it is 15. So here we can finish our video. So after the second video, with the second video, you can try to learn in a fast way about fractions and measurement, geometry, and some statistics. So see you in next video.